I'm going to go ahead and put the ends on my wires. I have them right here. There's two types of connectors, as you can see here. This one is always the positive or the red one, and this one's always the negative or the black wire. There's also two ends here, and as you can see, they're two different sizes, and they clamp onto the actual wire itself. This always goes on the red or the positive, and this always goes on the black or the negative. So I'm going to go ahead and connect these up right now. I have the wire cut off the black end, so I'm going to go ahead and crimp it on using my little crimping tool here. Got one side crimped on, now do the other side. Okay, got that crimped on. Now I'll cut the wire off the other one. You only want to go about 3/16 to 1/4 inch of stripping the coating off the wire. Got it. One side. The other side. Now what you do is you unscrew that, and there's a little rubber washer. Stick the screw cap on first, stick the rubber washer on next. Then you stick this up through the hole, and it's tight, but it's supposed to be tight. And you got to hear that little snap, and that's when you know it's up in all the way. Then you fit the little rubber washer up in there, then you screw this on all the way. Now you just do the same thing for the other side, for the black, the negative. Sometimes these rubber washers don't want to come out. Put the cap on first, then the rubber washer. Then just like the positive side, this one you stick in, and you'll hear a little snap once it's in all the way. There. Then carefully fit the washer up in there nice, and then you screw this on all the way. And that's all there is to it. And then you got your connectors, and if you need, you can connect these into like a combiner like I have here. I'm going to be combining these three into one run. So what I can do is, this is the out, and it's negative because it's got this end on it. So I can take the other end, and it just snaps right in like that. And you can push these in and pull it right back apart. And that's all there is to putting ends on wires for solar panels.